Okay, guys, another place where I think we need to talk more about is understanding who your competitors, and I like to call them your comparatives, are in the market, who they are. Okay, so if you've been following along, we've been talking about the early evangelist. The early evangelist is someone that has perceived the problem you want to solve so painfully that they've gone out of their way to, figure out solutions, DIY solutions for themselves. The thing is that DIY solution, that is a competitor and or comparative to you, okay? Even though it's something that they've hacked together, even though it's something that's not perfectly offering all the things that you're offering, you still need to list them as a competitor, okay? So the human enabled solutions people do for themselves, that's a competitor or comparative. The actual solutions that offer the same value proposition that you want to offer, those are obviously your competitors. Anything that the client is or customer is hacking together, you should also be tracking as a competitor. All of these things should be in your analysis because you have to figure out how to do it better, how to differentiate yourself from the solutions that your customer could find out on the marketplace. And all of them need to be from the perspective of your early evangelist, okay? We do not want to track competitors too early on that are like looking at totally different markets, okay? We do want to keep our eye on them because we could learn from them if they're offering the same value proposition but to a different customer. But we really want to make sure at the beginning that the solution we're designing is differentiated from the competitors and comparatives that our early evangelists would also consider using, okay? I talk a little more about this in my Are You Investable recap, just about how a lot of people say that they're first to market and that there's no one out there like them. And it's like, yes, you might have some unique value proposition, but at the end of the day, your customer has other options for solving the problem, including something that's not digital. So you need to track all of those other possible solutions your customer could choose from to solve the problem in order to make sure that you are properly differentiated and have really clear value propositions. All right, guys, put your questions and comments below, like and subscribe so you keep getting all these juicy tidbits. Talk to you later. Bye.